Hello friends, in this video we are going to explore quadrilaterals. So quadri means 4 and lateral means sides. So 4 sides. So what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles, and one of its property is the sum of all interior angles is 360 degrees. Types of a quadrilaterals. First is trapezium. So it is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. So here the side AB is parallel to side CD. The parallel sides are called bases. The non-parallel sides are called legs. And if these legs, that is if AD is equals to BC, then this trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. So it is a trapezium with non-parallel sides equal. Now next is parallelogram. So a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel is called parallelogram. So here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal, that is angle A is equals to angle C, angle B is equals to angle D. Also the diagonals bisect each other. You can see this. And finally, the adjacent angles are supplementary, meaning the sum of any two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Now next is rhombus. So it is a parallelogram with all sides equal. That is AB is equals to BC, BC is equals to CD equals to DA. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Diagonal bisect vertex angles. That is both the diagonals bisect opposite vertex angles. Now next is kite. So it is a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent sides equal. So here side AB is equals to side BC and side AD is equals to side CD. Diagonals are perpendicular. The longer diagonal bisects the pair of opposite angles it passes through. So you can see this from the diagram. And one pair of opposite angles are equal. So here the angle A is equals to angle C. Now next is rectangle. So it is a parallelogram with all angles equals to 90 degrees. Opposite sides are equal. So here AB is equals to CD and BC is equals to AD. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So you can see that the diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD and they bisect each other. Finally we have square. So it is a rectangle with all sides equal. All angles are of course 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular bisectors of each other. So here the diagonals AC is equals to diagonal BD and the diagonal bisects each other at 90 degrees. So in summary, so a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles, and sum of their interior angles is equals to 360 degrees. Then trapezium, all parallelograms are trapeziums, but not all trapeziums are parallelograms. Every isosceles trapezium is a trapezium, but not every trapezium is a isosceles. Parallelogram. So all rectangles, rhombuses and squares are parallelograms, but not all parallelograms are these. Opposite sides are parallel, angles need not be right angles. Then kite. So all rhombuses are kites, but not all kites are rhombuses. Two pairs of adjacent equal sides, opposite sides need not be equal. Then rhombus. All squares are rhombuses, but not all rhombuses are squares. A parallelogram with all sides equal, angles need not be 90 degrees. Rectangle. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. A parallelogram with all angles equals to 90 degrees. Sides need not all be equal. And finally, square. A square is both a rectangle and a rhombus. Every square is a parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and trapezium. A square is the most specific type of quadrilateral with maximum symmetry. So this is all about quadrilaterals. Thanks for watching.